my first 10 scale crawler. Mini Z 4x4 was what I started with, and man, those things are tiny, so I can do a lot with something like this. Allen key, well, they're probably not going to use this, and you know, some information. Throttle trim, steering trim can be adjusted on the controller, and then you know, you can reverse steering. Wow, it just handles these. It's crazy, like just thinking that somebody would pay maybe, you know, $500, $600 for the Traxxas. This thing's great. Super fun, honestly. I'm not even struggling to do any of these obstacles. And this is a pretty rough wall. Yeah, okay. That was pretty steep and very loose, so that was a pretty good example. Let's see how it goes downhill. And I have brake on as well, so. Okay, it's pretty composed going down, that's good. Yeah, that's a very steep incline, so I'm just going at it from a, all right. Oh, wow, that was easy.